Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix missing developer option on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. So as you can see, now showing it to developer option when I'm turn up, but not showing it to developer option in this section. I'm provide how can easily get back developer option. So open your settings, scroll down, press on tab out phone, scroll down and you get build number, just open and you just tap on 7 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then allow to developer settings, just press on to OK. Now enable to developer option. Okay, as you can see, showing it to developer option. Open this and you just easily customize from here anything. So that's it.